everybody. Today we're going to talk about Diamante poetry. I'm just playing. So check it out. What we did in our packet, we're on page 44. Everybody say, ooh. You can't figure out what page 44 is down here at the bottom corner. And what we have is a blank sheet of paper. Now mine is green. Everybody say, oh. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to fold it hamburger style. So y'all do the same. Okay? Team 100, y'all probably want to do this part with us. You know what's going on. Okay? Yep, for real. For real. For real. All right, so once you pull a hamburger style, you guys at home, y'all can see it's full of hamburger style. Everybody say, And then what I want you to do is fold it long, long time. Long, long time. So when you get done folding it, wow, you got 4 blocks. Block this thing. Papers make you famous, right? Right? All right, so check it out. I got 4 blocks. You guys at home, y'all can see you got 4 blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Everybody cool with that? Can I get an amen? All right, so what I'm going to do, hold this back up so you guys see at home. I got 4 blocks, just like this. So I'm going to open it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, we're going to talk about Diamante poems today, and you're actually going to write 3 of these. Now, you're going to write 3 of these, but we got 4 blocks. So what I want you to do is pick a block. I don't care which one. I want you to do me a favor. On this block, I want you to write Diamante poetry, just so you know what it is. And then I want you for a moment pretend that you're a celebrity and practice signing your name. Ta-da. So it says Diamante poetry, you're going to sign your name. Because why not? Even though you're not Taylor Swift, there is a blank space and you're going to sign your name. Wait, what? All right, so check it out. Okay. So you want to take 44 for Diamante. All right, so we're all there. Okay, so check it out. You can set that off to the side. Today we're going to talk about Diamante poetry, and we're on page 44 of the packet. Okay? Diamante poetry, what shape do you think it's supposed to make? A diamond. It kind of gives away by the name Diamante poetry. Okay? And it's very important that you know going in, we're going to write 3 of these. So go ahead and write the number 3. Draw a box around because how many of these are you going to write? 3. Okay, now 3 sounds like a lot. It's like, I just read 3 poems. Oh my God. It's not much. Now, my example, no lie, y'all, this is a copy of 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 a copy from years ago. You can't really see the example, but it kind of makes a diamond. Okay? It also shines bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Sing it, London. Oh, no, thank you. All right, so this is really easy. You guys at home, y'all can't see my example on the board. So I guess I'm just going to make a new one. You guys are here in class. Y'all can look over here. I did one earlier with Anakin Skywalker and the Mandalorian. And then I did one up here with Superman and Hunter in my first period. So let me do one right here for you right now. What I want to do first, y'all need to pick a block. I don't care what block. Pick a block and real quick, this is just for the example. Number 1 to 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I've numbered it 1 to 7. How many lines is my phone going to have, y'all? 7. No more. If Caleb has more than 7 lines, he did something what? Wrong. Caleb, don't do something wrong, okay? So check this out. All I got to do, guys, is follow the instructions right here, okay? Now, the easy way to do this is I need to decide what my 2 topics are going to be beforehand. So, does everybody here like sports or play a sport or have seen a sport before? Okay, so Allison, give me a sport. volleyball. So my first, I don't know why I'm trying to write up there. What I'm going to do, it says right here, line number 1 is going to be one word that contrasts with line 7. So I'm going to make my one word be volleyball. Okay? Caleb, give me another sport. Baseball, really? The sport that you don't play? That's all right. You said baseball, and I'm writing down baseball now. I thought you were going to say basketball, but forget you. You said baseball. All right, so check it out. Line 1 says one word, and it has to be a subject or noun that contrasts with line 7. Are volleyball and baseball 2 different sports, y'all? Yes, they're very much 2 different sports. Line 7 says subject or noun that contrasts with line 1. So I got line 1 and line 7 done. I got volleyball and I got baseball. Okay, so line 2 says 2 adjectives that describe line 1. So I need 2 adjectives to describe volleyball. Somebody give me an adjective that describes volleyball. Remember, this is my example. You're not going to do this example. This is my poem. Give me an adjective that describes volleyball. What you got? Fast, okay? In volleyball, you have to be fast. What else do you have to be, y'all, to play volleyball? Skilled, okay? Hey, y'all, I hear a lot of talking from people that have no clue what I'm doing. So, y'all listen up. All right, line 3 says 3 action verbs that relate to line 1. So I need 3 words that relate to volleyball. What are some things asked? And you pick volleyball. So what's an action that we do in volleyball? We pass, okay? So I'm going to put passing. Wanda, you play volleyball. What else do we do in volleyball? Spike. Anybody else play volleyball in here? What you got, Taylor? Serve. Okay, now I've got that done. So if I look at line 4 says 4 words. They all have to be nouns. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. 2 have to relate to line 1, and 2 have to relate to line 7. So somebody give me a noun relating to volleyball. What's a noun? What's something I would need? Ooh, what's that thing I hit the volleyball over? The net. So I'm going to have a net. Give me one more noun. Ball. Okay. Now, I need 2 nouns to deal with baseball. 2 nouns. A bat. And give me one more noun dealing with baseball. Oh, I need a pitcher. Ooh, we want a pitcher, not a belly itcher. Do y'all ever do that in recess? We want a pitcher, not a belly itcher. Nobody? It is mean, but you know what? It's whatever. All right, I need a pitcher, okay? All right, so that being said, check this out. Now I need 3 action words that deal with line 7. So in baseball, Caleb, you pick baseball. What are some actions that we're going to perform in baseball? We're going to throw. What else are we going to do, y'all? Well, now, run's not on there, so I can use run. And you said hit, right? All right, I'm going to throw, I'm going to run, I'm going to hit, okay? Now I need 2 adjectives that describe baseball. 2 adjectives. Do what? You say confusing? Oh, what? Yeah, because baseball, it's kind of a spring, summer, beginning of fall sport, so we're going to say hot. I need one more adjective that describes baseball. You say confusing. You don't like baseball? And that's fine? Okay, so check this out. I do not have a great piece of literature here, but I have, nothing's falling out, focusing. I got volleyball, fast, skilled, passing, spike, serve, netball, bat, pitcher, throw, run, hit, hot, confusing, baseball. There we go. Now, in theory, this would make what shape? A diamond. And you can kind of see, y'all don't need to draw the lines. How that works right there. Y'all don't need to draw the lines, but in theory, it makes a diamond. If y'all look at the one up here, I have Superman and Hunter, because I use Hunter in first period. It says, Superman, strong, fast, punches, flies, listens, Krypton alien, basketball brother, runs, shoots, jumps, annoying tall hunter. Okay? So I took Hunter, I did Superman, I compared them. Okay? Over there behind Peyton, I've got Anakin Skywalker and the Mandalorian. I compared them. Okay? So when you guys do this, first off, how many of these do you need to do? 3 of them. Okay? 3 of them, which is not that hard. Okay? What I would do if I were you, before you do this, pick what your 2 topics are going to be. Okay? You just got to make sure they're different. Okay? Superman, Batman, Noah, Christian, left-handed people, right-handed people, baseball and soccer, London and the city of London, okay? Tall people, short people, rap, country music, mohawks, flat tops, dogs versus cats, Ghostbusters versus Spider-Man, Charlie Brown versus Linus, okay? What you cannot do though, guys, now, I already did volleyball versus baseball, so you cannot do volleyball versus baseball because that's already been what? That'd be plagiarism. You're talking an idea right there. Okay, you can do Cowboys, Indians. You can do North Carolina, South Carolina. You can do anybody ever been to the West Coast? You can do East Coast versus the West Coast. You can do Captain America and Captain Underpants. You can do Julie Finch, Brian Mathis. You can do Carly Howard, Ava Howard. You can do desk versus chairs. Does that make sense? How many of them do you have to have, Bill? 3. That being said, what I'm going to do right now, once you get out your haiku poems that you're supposed to do on Friday, because I'm going to come around and check them, okay? All right? You guys that watch this at home, you're gonna do 3 of them, okay? Instructions right there. If you have a question, hey y'all, if they have a question, what should they do?
Don't hesitate to email me.
Don't hesitate to email me, because if you don't email me, I can't answer your question, all right? So make sure you email me, all right? Send me an email. Email stands for electronic mail, because I get it electronically in my electronic mailbox, all right? So send me an email, all right? All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.